Like I said, all of them are heroes, and the star performer is our anchor who's going to take us through this entire performance. And he's worked with HR, multiple facets to Charles. So, Charles will be coming in over here. He's also captain of the Maharashtra blind men's team, and he has captained the Maharashtra team to multiple victories and trophies. He's been a sports enthusiast. Like I said, he has been into HR, and like funnily, he said he has reported to 7 CEOs. And he has done 2 movies. One is Shrikant, which I mentioned about, and the one which is just signed with Hrithik Roshan, which is on Amazon. It's called The Storm. So truly a person with lots of passion, energy. Charles.
So, thank you everyone. Good evening. First of all, a very warm good evening to you all. Okay, thank you Deepak sir for this warm invitation and giving us the opportunity to present ourselves here. And firstly, thanks to my band जिन्होंने डॉन का गाना बजाया मुझे डॉन बना दिया आज की रात. So, taking forward, before I finish something and I take forward, I am really glad that we are here today. और जैसे दीपक सर ने कहा, I have worked with HR, but that time I could see. I was partially blind. And the thing was, I was joined HR, admin, facility and management in the year of 23 when I was just a young boy. But today also I look young. If you want to guess me, you can guess me. Standing strong. उस जमाने में लोगों की सुनता था और आज इस जगह पे हूँ कि लोग मुझे सुन रहे हैं. So going next to him, Deepak, he is on Dholak, but I like to say he is visually challenged partially, even Harsha is partially, but Deepak is a Dholak teacher. He also teaches blind community in one of our NGO. So Deepak, it's for you, you're Deepak on Dholak. Last but not the least, हर इंसान में कोई ना कोई जादू होती है. ये ऋतिक के छोटे भाई हैं, इनके उंगलियों में जादू है. जब ये उंगलियां उस काले और सफेद बटनों पे घुमाते हैं तो देखिए क्या निकलता है. बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर महेश. थैंक यू महेश. Very next, now coming to the first performer of the day. What to say about him? At the age of 7, he started his journey with music. He's totally blind from his childhood. Today, decades pass, he is a performer, a singer. I must say, if you go home today without listening his music, you will miss something in your life. But to bring it to your notice, Chota Recharge, Bada Dhamaka, none other than our Shravan Kumar ji. Big round of applause for Shravan Kumar.
But when you think about tum jo mil gaye ho, which HR process comes to your mind? Or when does that thing happen to you in your life? Sorry? Recruitment. So when an employee receives a job offer and joins a company, and when HR welcomes a new member, there is happiness and hope. That is where tum jo mil gaye ho. So I'd request Shravan to please render it. Please welcome Shravan.
तुम जो मिल गए हो तो ये लगता है कि जहाँ मिल गया.
How can we forget women empowerment, right? So our next performer of the day today, a female singer, is Vijaya Lakshmi. And to say about Vijaya Lakshmi is, she is going to sing today for you is Mere Khabo Mein Jo Aaye. Deepak ji.
So what HR process or aspect comes to your mind when we think about mere khwaab mein jo aaye? Think from an employee perspective. What do you look forward to? What are the outcome of appraisals? Promotions, growth, right? So tum jo mil gaye ho is what, sorry, mere khawabon mein jo aaye And let's welcome Vijay Lakshmi for this song.
मेरे ख्वाबों में जो आए आके मुझे छेड़ जाए मेरे ख्वाबों में जो आए आके मुझे छेड़ जाए उससे कहो मेरे सामने तो आए मेरे ख्वाबों में जो आए
introduce our teacher. Her name is Jyoti. उन्होंने दिव्यांगों के लाइफ में ज्योति जगाई है. दो ज्योति. You can see Jyoti. Is Jyoti on the stage? Yeah. So Jyoti do not have a palm and one hand, but I like to say she is a loving sister. She teaches dance to our visually challenged community without any hesitations. So that is very important. And secondly, she is also a teacher for Cancer Hospital in Tata. She teaches dances for the students over there, normal students, whose parents are in the hospital or something. So I'd like to request you to put a round of applause for Jyoti. So Rajni is 23 years, young woman, ladki hai, and she is from the Drop community and she is the best performer. She is going to perform loudly in front of you today. So I request you all to put up a round of applause for Rajni here. And you could see